Hi, Coco. How you doing? How you doing, mommy? Been told you're not feeling 100%. Is that correct? Looks like that's correct. Opa, I think he wants some salmon. Yeah. I think he wants it. Yeah. Come on. Come on, boy. He's moving about. That's a good sign. Yeah. Oh, well, sorry. Look at that. In the plate. In the plate. Wow, he licked it all. Good job, Coco. It's like he's coming back to life. Okay, hold on a second. I'm going to pause this. And there we go. I just squeezed this whole bag in there. And Coco's loving it. Coco, my boy. You're just loving it. And I'm loving you loving it. Wow. Good job, Mommy. Good job, Coco. Good job, Coco. Look at that. Good job, Mama. I love you, Coco. This is such a good feeling here. He is actually doing good. Better than I thought. Than I heard. You like that? Look at him. Bouncing up. Back to life. Back to life. Good boy. Coco, you're making me so happy. You're making me so happy. Okay. Well, that's a wrap. I love you.